Our ERP system isn't just about data entry, it's designed to make your processes efficient, and that includes how you communicate with your clients. We've built in some smart pathways to get those essential documents into your customers' inboxes. Alright, let's talk about sending invoices to your customers, a crucial part of keeping your business communication flowing smoothly. Think of it this way: you've just finalized that perfect transaction. Now, how do you get the invoice to your customer? We've got you covered with not one, not two, but 3 distinct ways right from the invoice application itself. You can get it done using the handy control toolbar, or generate it directly from the report view, or even initiate the process right from desktop view. Pretty neat, isn't it? You might wonder, where system gets an email address? Imagine you've just pulled up the specific invoice you need. Our intelligent system kicks in immediately. Because it's a single transaction, it's smart enough to automatically look for the primary email addresses linked to both the bill to and a ship to contacts. It's like having a built-in detective for email addresses. But what if those contact details are missing? No problem. Our system is persistent. It will then seamlessly check the vendor's master record for an email address. And if, for some reason, that's not there either, it's got another backup plan. It will then look at your user profile for your email address. Still no luck? Believe it or not, it keeps going. It will then try to find a company's general email address. And as a final safety net, if all else fails, it will prompt you to manually enter the recipient's email. We've really thought of everything to make sure that invoice gets where it needs to go. Let's dive into the control toolbar method first. Look for that Email the button. By default, we've set it up to send in PDF. Clicking that button opens up our dedicated email application. Now, here's where it gets even smarter. Our system will automatically scan for any specific cover letters you might have associated with invoice report. If it finds one or all, it's right there as a ready-to-go template. If there's no specific cover letter, don't worry. We've already pre-filled the subject line and the main body of the email with standard, professional wording. So, in many cases, you literally don't have to type a single thing unless you want to personalize it further. Now, we believe in giving you control. Before that email wings its way to your customer, you get a chance to quickly review everything: the recipient, the attachment, the message. We could have made it a one-click send, but we intentionally added this step to prevent any accidental misfires. We all know that feeling of hitting send too soon, right? Once you're happy with everything, just hit that send button. And here's a little behind-the-scenes magic for you: we use something called threading. What does that mean for you? It means that as soon as you click send, the system starts the sending process in the background. You can immediately get back to what you were doing, no waiting around for that email to go out. You'll see a confirmation message pop up after a few moments letting you know it's been successfully sent. It's all about keeping you productive and efficient. Isn't everything just great? Reach out to us at brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website to explore more. Whether you're curious, ready to get started, or just want to chat, we're here to help. We'd love to hear from you.